Hey, well, Carpetbagger here, coming to you live from the frickin' desert. I am out in the middle of nowhere, and I'm looking for something. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find it, but I just wanted to stop and check out these big, freaky tanks. This one has been shot by a million shotguns. Look at the way the light comes in. It's like that corn video. This is getting really bumpy. I don't know how much further I can make it. All right, moving out even further into the desert. I've gone as far as my car will take me. I have to hike the rest of the way, and hopefully we can find what it is I've been looking for. Terrain here is unpleasant, very prickly. It's a backpack all torn up and dumped right here. I wonder if that was like from an immigrant coming in from Mexico. All right, I'm not trying to be over dramatic here, but first of all, I didn't find the thing I was looking for. Second of all, I left my phone in the car. I'm recording this with my DSLR, and I don't know where I parked. So that's why I'm dead if you're finding this. Oh, thank God. I actually see the glint of my car. I was able to find my way back. Not that I deserve to, because I'm stupid. Ugh. Wandering around the desert without GPS is stupid. All right, walked pretty far. I could not I should have been able to find it. It shouldn't be this far, so I'm gonna take my last shot, and I'm gonna send Possum 2, my drone, up into the sky, see if I can find this place. All right, there it is. You see that? That is hundreds of abandoned train engines just laying out in the desert. I appreciate you guys coming along with me and finding these abandoned trains out here in the middle of nowhere in the desert. I have no idea why these trains are out here. If anyone knows, they look sparkling brand new. If anyone knows why they're here, please leave that in the comments section. I want to give a big shout out to John from Exploration Unknown for letting me know about the trains out here. It was a tip from him. Also, if you would like to see other places I've been, other trains I've found, please look down in the description. I have an interactive map that'll show you all the different locations I've been to. If you want to support the channel, a donation of at least $3 a month on Patreon, and I will send you a postcard while I'm out and about on my journeys. I also sell t-shirts, and there's other ways to support the channel as well. All that information is in the description. So for now, we shall place this one in the bag.